Hello guys, welcome back. In the previous lessons we learned about Python variables and little about them. I think we were learning about Python variables. We have many items we learned a little. Now let's go and search deeper in Python variables. We can define variable names. Let's go and see what it gave us. Okay, we can save variable names, and these are different types. These are something that you learn them when you are writing a big code or lots of line of codes. This is important for you to understand. These are different, but I tell you something, make your naming variables simple. Making it simple make your code look better, beautiful, and more readable, more understandable. For example, you want to create a variable and call it the data names. Just create it like this, the data names. Or like this, the data names. Create something that you can understand and easy to write and remember. It's good to make your variable names rememberable. You can write it anytime you want. Okay, multi-variable names. My variable name John. My variable name John. These are some type of variable name you can create. As I tell you, a snake case or Pascal case, you can write them in any way you want. I like the Pascal case, but sometimes I use a snake case. Okay, let's see and create the exercise. Do the exercise for now and go to assignment to a variable. Okay, which is not a legal variable name. I don't have anything in my name, but I think this or this must be. Okay, let's go with first. That's great. And another one, create variable name, car name, and assign it the Volvo to it. Okay, we just create a car name and assign the Volvo. You already know from the previous lessons we must put it in a string. It create a variable name x and assign 50 to it. It's as easy as a cup of tea. Okay, we create them. Let's go and see many values. Assign multiple values to variables. Sometimes we want to assign more than one value. For example, more than one value to a parameter in one line. What we use this. We write like this. For example, we want to have age, name, and for example, weight of a person. We just give it like this. For example, age 17, name what? Donald. I think I write it wrong. Okay, it's not important for now. Weight, for example, 78. That's a good weight. Okay, and then we run it. As you must guess, let's wait a little. It's installing the Python. It's the first time just. Now if we print age, it gives us this value. And if we print name, it gives us this value. The important thing is when we are going to assign many values in line, the order is important. The first go to first, the second to second, and the last to the last. Don't just remember this thing. Let's try this also. Make sure the number of values match the number of values. As you can see, the X is go for orange, the Y for banana, the Z for cherry. Okay, let's go down. Unpack a collection. You can also Let me just not teach you here because you don't understand anything about list. Just skip it here and teach you later. Okay, let's go and do this exercise too. You can pause the video or do it later or anything you want. Okay, what is the correct syntax to value hello world to three variables in one statement? This is wrong. This is wrong also. This is the correct answer. Pause the video and think and then. Okay, we say we must just put comma here. 3 input and 3 outputs. Okay, and the last one, consider following. Okay, I tell you we just for now escape this, but the correct answer is apple. Let's go and to output variables. Python have output variables. We can print them. There are 3 kinds of printing. Let's learn about. We know what print x do, but we have 2 other kind. Let's go and see what it gave to us. Okay, think about we have 3 variables: name, age, name, weight. We want to print them in one line. How we can do that? We can print, for example, maybe you guess we print them age here, print name here, print weight here, and after we printing that, you see they print them but not print them in one line. How we can print them in one line? By using comma. We just simply write print age, comma, name, comma, weight, and then it print them in one line. And we can do something really amazing using this. For example, we can create a sentence by using this comma function. How? We just create a code print. We put name here and comma, and say, for example, we write here age is, and we here, let me delete this, we here put the age, and now you can say Donald age is 17. We create a line of printing, we create a sentence. That's really amazing. You can use it. There's another function you can using for printing. The function is you can use, for example, plus, and it didn't give you because plus have something more. We must speak about them, but for now just learn that we can use plus, gold, Donald gold. The plus is an way of printing. We can use it, but just for now let's skip it. We skip plus 2. This is the, if you want to learn more you can study them, but not important for now. We are going to learn about them later. Okay, let's see what global variables have. It's have function. We aren't going to learn them for now, and it is the exercise. You can do it, but it have something. Oh, we do them just now. Okay, the variable ends here. It have more things that we can say, for example, the global variables, but the thing is that you don't understand functions or anything else now. And here a little is good for now, but this is the first exercise I'm going to give you. We have 3 variables, name. We have 3 variables, name, student 1. We call them like the student 1 and student 1, student 1, name Let me create a student name 1 and name, for example, Alex. A student 2 name Lexa, and we have a student age 1, for example 2014, a student age 2 15, and we want you to create a print and make a sentence with these parameters using comma in a one line. I put this code in the comments of the section and also in the description. No, I put both in comment and description for you to copy that and train that. I want you to create 3 sentences by using these things and like the code I write here. Okay, we are in the way to the 1000 subscribes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Your supports mean a world to me. Have a good day until tomorrow.